Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the jet lag filter on Instagram. Pretty unique filter. All you have to do to get it is just head over to your Instagram application. So you want to go ahead and open that up. And you want to come over to your Discover page or your search page here. You would search for your accounts. And you want to go up to the top and just search for Summer Fridays. Click on the page. And then once you're on the page, you want to go over to the Filters tab, which is right here. Scroll down and you'll see the jet lag filter right here. So you want to go ahead and click on it. And then all you have to do here is you could save it by clicking on the down button right here, or you could just try it out in the filter page right here. I hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you how to get this filter on Instagram. If it was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.